Hey guys, I wanted to do a review on this pool table, show you everything that you need to know before you make a purchase. First off, I will say that if you're like a professional pool player, this might not be the option for you, but if you just like the game and you want to add it to like a game room or something, and you're looking for something that's more affordable, then this is definitely for you. It's not cheaply made at all. It's decently, it's a heavy table. It's not cheap, but it's not expensive either. Like obviously, it's not built for like a professional pool hall. Okay, this is purely for like entertainment and for gaming purposes. So with that being said, it's not the most expensively made item, but it's also like not cheap. I absolutely love the rustic look to it. I just think it looks really nice. It could really go well in most rooms. I just like the design. It's very modern. I also like the bright blue velvet, really fun, really nice color. But yeah, so like the material is nice. It's like not super expensive, but it's not super cheap. Comes with the balls and the two sticks, shooting sticks, whatever you call them. I'm not a pool professional, obviously. And then the triangle. So yeah, I mean, it is a little time consuming to put together at first, but once you get it built, it's super fun, and it's large in diameter. I think it's 84 inches if I remember correctly. So it's nice and large for like a really fun, normal, natural game of pool. And your family will love it. You'll love it, promise you. And for a pool table, it's definitely more on the affordable side, I would say. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I wanted to show you. If you end up getting it, I hope that you enjoy it. I'm sure that you will.